Hello, it's Matthew, and welcome back. Time is now 1:49 p.m. and it's the 17th of February 2017. And I've noticed that they've been chemtrailing up here in the Northern Hemisphere in the UK every single day, morning and night time, and all afternoon. It's just absolutely outstanding how people still don't look up at the skies. Spraying our sun, and our sun just looks like it's in a silvery haze, trying to burn through those chemtrails and burn the hydrogen off the natural clouds. We are seeing some strange skies, and also people have emailed saying the sky is very strange as well. See different colours, lots of different reflections. So we're going to go ahead now and look at see what we can find on their webcams around the world. So respect to you, enjoy the footage from Matthew. Here on this cam, okay, I spotted this yesterday. I want to show you this as well. Basically, you will see that the light source, the blue light source that moves right over here. As you see this red light source coming up as well. So there's two different light sources that we've been showing on the other videos as well. Those strange times, you can see this, can't you? It's moving away. Moving away, can you see this? Disappearance, another reflection from another heavenly body, disappears on the horizon. Here it is again. And they're chemtrailing to cover everything up. You see this now going down. Disappears. There's something definitely else. Something else coming up on the horizon here. I'll go back and you can see this. This is being covered, whatever it is being covered, binary twin NEMESIS. They're hiding it every single day now. They really are, and I'm watching this as well, very carefully on the different cams as well. There's something here that goes down here. I'll show you again. You can see the way that this moves away down onto the horizon. There's too many objects that are up there now that are being hidden from us. Here comes our natural sun with that object in front of it, basically hiding things. So when you look at the plasma, it's all hiding out a lot of things up there that they don't want the public to see. thing is that Wormwood is on its way, heading our way now. It's been predicted in the past, and basically government just want to slam it shut. You can see this, can't you? This is definitely another reflection from another body. It's coming. You can see that. As I go down, you can see this huge reflection going down on the horizon, left hand side. Anyway, I'm going to go to another cam, so we'll see what's on the other piece of footage. I just want to show you this image on this up-to-date cam, 17th second. Now, look at the halo of the sun. And look at the state of the sun. We're getting this as well, these grey, blue reflections from these cams. Look at the ground as well, it's very dark. This sun is definitely being cloaked. There's a huge cloaking device in front of it. This object. But I believe it's failing because of the shape it's in. I believe there's something going on up there, and I think it's going to fail shortly. I really do. How long can they keep this from us? Because it's been going on for a few years now. Good few years. It's only a matter of time, isn't it? Because I'm looking at the skies here in the UK and I'm noticing things are definitely strange. It just amazes me how people are not looking up now to notice it's a big, huge change to our skies. I'm going to go through this cam now and see what we can find up there. Here again on this Mexico cam as well, dated the 17th today. Look at these chemtrails again. The toxins that are being put up there, and the sun is morphing into the chemtrails, or what's going on, because covering that simulates every day. And our natural sun is way up there in space. It's just burning so much now, so hard. Our natural clouds being burnt away. Only a matter of time until we start getting seriously affected by these CME solar flares. The media has shut it up, shut it down, they don't report it much now. Not at all really. So as us, the members of the public, we've got to search, read and watch well to get information about this. It's so important that we keep the book open so people are knowledgeable about what's going on up there. And then we're going to go to another camp and basically you look at the skies are disgusting, aren't they? Throwing up all these cans out there, it's doing us no good at all to wildlife. They're getting away with it. They think that we don't notice what's going on. Something seriously wrong with our sun because we've got that binary twin with us now. I have said this thousands of times now. I just want people to understand, because you, the viewers and subscribers, know full well what's going on. You really do. The government are acting strange as well. Another false promises all the time, because they know it's coming. Also, they're going to be hiding shortly. I can see this now. Chemtrails are just being thrown up every day. A lot more than ever than any other year. I'm witnessing this. What they're doing to the skies, trying to cover it now very much more than they have ever before. I'm going to go to another camp now. Here is this camp as well in Mexico. And also, look at the sun. The thing is that we've got that object in front of our natural golden yellow sun. It just looks quite hot, doesn't it? The reflections are too much. Definitely hiding binary twin, Nibiru, and the moons. I mean, it's just being had, isn't it? I mean, the light source of the simulator has been so much now spread out in all different parts of our atmosphere, so we can't see it. These chemtrails and also the natural clouds here are being burnt away. The hydrogen is being burnt off them. They're not covering anything, are they? Look at this. Cutting here as well as burning away our natural clouds. Huge situation. The chemtrails reflect light and just ridiculous what they're doing now. It's a waste of time because we know now what's going on. No point keep doing it because so many people are waking up to this now. But they still think we're just eyes down watching our TVs and our iPads. It's ridiculous, as I say. I'm going to go to another cam now. Now I've also checked this cam footage, okay? Now this here is definitely not lens flare. Same situation before. The sun simulator is away from it. Can you see the simulator? The shape of it, it's like a hexagon shape. Anyway, so this body here doesn't move. Okay? Now lens flare moves with this simulator. But this object here does not move at all. When the sun's close to it, reflects a little bit. So I'm going to keep an eye on this object. I saw it a couple of years ago. This time, a couple of years ago, this month, February. And also I'm just going to keep an eye on it. It's very, very strange. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more to see what we can get on this object. You can see this now, can't you? Closer and zoomed in. Very strange what it looks like, and it's up there. There's no doubt that things up there. Is it a huge celestial body? Now, I'm picking up other objects as well, the same colour. This brown, grey, rocky, I don't know, this strange shape as well. It's a situation, as I said, when the sun goes up, goes down, it stays in the same place. But the thing is, though, it's getting a little bigger each time. Every year, it's getting a little bigger. More smaller than that, a little bit smaller than that a couple of years ago. But just observing it and persistently checking and looking at it. So it's just a situation where we need to just check the cams and also looking at the skies as well, camcorders and telescopes, because now as we're getting close to springtime, it's getting warmer, so we're able to go out more and observe, because in the winter time it can be a put off being very cold out there at night time. So I'm going to move to a different camera. It's very interesting, that object. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Here we have another cam. Okay, this is another live cam in Mexico. And again, you've got to really study the cams to understand that it's too dark. I mean, we all know now, okay? natural sun is being eclipsed by NEMESIS, the brown dwarf star, right in front of it now, I believe. I truly believe this now because every single day I looked at the count being getting darker and darker. Okay? Now, it's important to understand that I've got that object in front of our natural sun that's hiding everything. It's the long shape of a natural sun. Okay? They use it using satellites to guide it as the sun is, as Earth is rotating, the sun will be doing its course across the skies. Very, very dark on the land as well. And also here in the UK we're getting the same effect. Here where I am it's very, very dark as well. I mean, the only time you see this darkness, okay, the only time is when we get an eclipse from the moon. It's called a solar eclipse. Okay? Now, this is what we are getting now. And over in Mexico as well, and all parts of the world. As I said before, Earth on the other side of the world from Mexico will be very bright. Because on the right hand side of the sun will get very dark shadow, and on the left hand side it's not too bad. So we have got these huge celestial bodies, this other solar system that's entering our solar system, and it's now hiding part of the sunlight now, the sun. Now, I'm no specialist, okay, but I'm a great observer to notice our skies getting very, very dark. And it will get darker, because as the brown dwarf star gets closer towards our Earth, it's going to dim our skies even darker, till a point that it won't just be the right hand side that will be getting darker and the shadows across the world. It will start getting darker in the middle and the left hand side, so it will be pitch black darkness. I'm not sure if it's a 3-day darkness or any other days, extra days more. The brown dwarf star is huge. It's big. Bigger than our Earth. Bigger. Very, very big. It's a dying star. It's lurking in our own solar system now, the other celestial bodies. Look at the sky on this footage. Very, very black. Now, this is why they're chemtrails as well, because they don't want you to see it, and also Nemesis is agitating our natural sun. Because as I've said before, why now is our sun acting up? Scientists are saying that it's because it's a solar maximum event. But why now? This has happened before, when there's been other celestial bodies close to our sun. The sun acts up. The coronal holes are huge now. Our sun's breaking up. I'm going to go to I'm going to flip through this count to see what we can find on here. Go to another image. Hello again. I just want to show you this, okay? I'm zoomed in. Can you see this object here? This is a lens flare, because lens flare moves with the sun. This isn't moving. Slightly it does, like a comet, but it doesn't move with lens flare. Can you see this? Still there in the sky, just illuminating. As a simulator, the natural sun will be illuminating it. Can you see this? As the sun goes up, it doesn't move anywhere. This is definitely an object that's out there in space. Another heavenly body that's about to eclipse our sun. As the simulator moves with our natural sun behind it, you can see this, can't you? Can you see how it just raises light against the body? Here, it is not lens flare. This is definitely a heavenly body that's up there, and NASA and government are hiding it. Here it is. This could be helium, because there's two bodies at the moment, and this is in front of our natural sun. On the right hand side, I believe it could be wormwood, but here is another huge celestial body that's beside the simulator, the sun. You can see this, can't you? Very important to see these items, because the thing is when they don't move, they're staying in the same place. It's been reported on other channels as well. Just crazy, because I'm zoomed in and I can see this. I hope you can see this too. I'm gonna go to another image now. This is a big giveaway, see, I mean, look at it. And there's another object on the horizon. Okay? Now, all this around here will be cloaking. There'll be cloaking objects up here in the sky for no one to see. I mean, look at this. Here it is. This is the light coming from the simulator. Our natural sun will be behind it. On the ground, very, very bleak and dark. So, anybody can just tell that this is our natural sun that's rising in our atmosphere. It is definitely a tool that NASA's using in the government. So, I'm going to go to a different image now. Here's another webcam in Italy as well. It's a live cam now. Okay, now, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to realize that there's something very, very wrong with our skies and our sun. This isn't our sun. Do you see how it basically goes forwards and backwards, gets bigger and smaller? Then these chemtrails. Okay, these are not our natural clouds. I'm working with the simulator. It's all part of the art. They control our clouds at the moment to hide everything. They've been warned years ago. NASA was warned years ago. This is going to come. This is going to happen. But the Vatican, they know it's coming. They're trying to hush the media up. They've been put on gagging orders. President Donald Trump, they basically told him not to say a word to the public, to stop mass panic. But it just, for us, the ones that are wide awake to this, we are wide awake to this, to know there's something going on up there. We know. We just know that WORMWOOD is on its way. We know it's on its way. It's been tracked for years. And so many people now just looking up to the skies and realizing it's far too dark. For those of you that have seen the solar eclipse in the past, you know how dark it gets when the sun is being affected and being covered by cause a lot of problems for us. Another big huge problem, as I said before, is the CM solar events that have been heading our way now for a long time. Very, very much meant a lot of months now. And as I said before, one gets through to us, then we will get a blackout as well. The power grid going down. So, as I said before, it's important that, I bought hundreds of bottles of water, tin food and things, God knows how long it's going to last. There's when it's a huge blackout like that, it won't just, as I said before, a couple of hours till the electric comes up again. Because as I said before, take the electric, turn the electric off, prepare yourself, turn it off for about 3 or 4 days, see how it feels. Learn and teach yourself to cope if a natural event happens and will happen shortly. I believe this is going to happen. Train yourself, get yourself into a situation where you turn everything off and just basically live and see how it feels, because that's when it's going to happen. That's what it's going to be like. So it's so important we prepare for this. It really is. A couple of months ago I turned the electric off for a couple of days. It's not nice, is it? Because you get so used to the electrical devices, so used to hot running water, and so used to microwaves, cookers, the television, internet. We have been so used to all this now. We really have. It'll be going back like hundreds and hundreds of years back to simple things again, And this is what's going to happen. It really is, because the sun is just not. It's in a very terrible mess. There's some strange things going up there in the skies. A lot of dark shadows as well. Look at another camera. Here is another live cam. Mexico. And it's just again, isn't it? I mean, the sun is up there, okay? And the thing is, look at the size of this thing, and also the shape of it is just all wrong. Again, look how dark it is on this cap, very dark. It's like there's a huge hole in through the ozone layer, right? Huge. It's like it's failing, the atmosphere is failing. It's too dark for the time of the day. And also, as I said, we will see these huge celestial bodies. I believe the time is very short now. I believe we're going to see these now. It's not going to be long now until we start looking up and noticing that Nibiru is up there. Okay? It's so important that we do look up at the sun, even the sky and the morning skies on the horizons. Because one day they're going to miss this, but they're going to fail to chemtrail. I can see that this is going to happen. I mean, there's been reports of other people as well that have seen Nibiru and also the moons. And I've seen this celestial body as well. It's only a matter of time till we all stand and see this. There's many people on this watching this channel as well that have seen strange things out there in the skies. There is objects up there that are watching us. They're watching us. It's so important, okay, to get the message across that it's not all about TV, government, and also propaganda. I mean, it's all about basically living our life naturally, okay? Because we don't want to be stuck in shackles all the time, paying off, you know, it's just, I mean, I just want to just show people that this huge event is on its way. And we really need to keep safe and understand that this is a serious situation. I'm going to go to another camp. Here's another live camp, that's in Mexico as well. Look at the strange lines in the sky. Very strange looking halo, isn't it? Dark here on the left hand side. This is where the simulator is, the sun behind it. I mean, look what's going on here? Sort of cloaking device again. Something hiding something very, very strange. These upside down rainbows, things like that, seeing lots of them on different images as well. It's very strange. Signs in the skies, isn't there? I mean, we're getting all these signs now, aren't we? Things are changing up there. These are warnings as well. You know, there's coming from the heavens above. We need to seriously, we really do need to. It's a real eye-opener, isn't it? Looking at these different things. It really is. We used to see the rain, the snow, the moon, our natural sun, but not these strange formations and also it is a lot different up there now, isn't it? There's chemtrails spraying the sky so we don't get to see it. We will get to see it because they're getting bigger out of these reflections and we're going to hide it. Soon little chemtrails being sprayed across the sky just to hide things. When these huge objects get much bigger now, they're never going to be able to hide it. It's just then it'd be time. And people will be scratching their heads, thinking to themselves, why didn't they tell us? Why didn't the media, the government that we trust so much with our money, why did they trust? Why did they not tell us? Because at the end of the day, they're only in it for themselves, okay? The powers to be. It's a situation, I mean, the dollar, the pound, the money, the paper money is the debt. Their debt, not ours. It's all control. I'm going to go to another account now. I've zoomed in on this other Mexico account, okay? Now, can anybody tell me, is this look normal or not? To me, it looks absolutely abnormal. Doesn't look normal at all, does it? Now the sun apparently is supposed to be behind this cloud here. Okay? Now how's it got so small? Where did it disappear? It's disappeared. The thing is, it's simulated, of course. He's supposed to be saying to all of us that it's our natural sun, which it isn't. It just disappears behind this chem cloud. See these huge reflections. I mean, the thing is, I have never seen this before in my life. I have always studied the skies and also the sun and moon. I have never seen the sun disappear behind one chem cloud like this. This is because I believe that they are using huge cloaking mirrors up there as well. It's all to hide the ground or star and the other celestial bodies that are here now. They are here in front of our sun, heading our way now. There's no doubt in it. There really isn't. Other heavenly bodies are in the solar system and out of the solar system are being affected by it too. Even astronaut this. They've been knocked off course, being bashed out of the way, scraped, and this is going to be a huge havoc of an event, isn't it? We're going to have some seriously bad weather, serious times ahead, isn't there? And this proves it because the natural sun doesn't behave like this. There's too many different reflections up there telling me that there is huge objects that are here, and Wormwood is a real event. It's coming. I mean, it's a huge celestial body, and it's on its way. They're spraying our skies to hide this. I'm going to go to another camera. Here's another Mexico camera, and there it is again, a huge simulator that's in front of our natural sun. And look how dark it is now on this cow. Very, very dark, especially bright. The sun there, heading towards spring, and it's still dark and blue. Could have been eclipsed. That is the straight answer. We are being eclipsed by these huge heavenly bodies right now. They've been building that object up there for a very, very long time, since the 1950s. They had the designs for the object in the 1940s. And they've been helped by other by other people around the world as well to keep it in place in front of the sun. Now there's other beings up there as well. I believe that they're also part of this situation. Now, the thing is, got to understand now it's getting too dark. Okay, now I have said this again about the darkness. Keep repeating it because it's true. We're getting far too much black skies. Now, on Monday this week, okay, I looked up to the skies, 2 p.m. here in the UK, northeast of England. Now I looked to the right of the sun, and it was black. Now it was so dark, it was near enough black like night time. But there was a hole in the sky. Now, the clouds were there, the chemtrails were there, but I believe they have missed that part because I don't know if they changed the wind or I don't know which, they can't control that, can they? But let me tell you something. That quite scared me actually. I was quite worried about that, seeing that big black hole there, that black shadow. It just didn't look right. I even actually was looking up and thinking to myself, I'm going to see stars here. I'm going to actually see the stars at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Now that was a shocking sight. It really was. And I hope to get that on film so I can show you guys when it's like that again. Because when they're spraying the sun, I believe that there's huge dark shadows, okay, from these heavenly bodies. So they're spraying not just the sun, but spraying the evidence that we've got these objects up there. Okay, now they don't want you to see these dark shadows, I believe. But seeing a huge black shadow at 2 p.m. to the right side of the sun is very bizarre. It's very, very, very strange. It's haunting, isn't it, to see that? It's different, isn't it? I mean, you can see here on this cam on the left-hand side there how dark it is in the sky now. It just screams at you, doesn't doesn't it? There's something wrong. It really does. Look at the clouds on the right hand side here on this camera image. You can see these reflecting red on these chem clouds. I mean, the natural clouds have gone, disappeared. Anyway, I'm going to go off now. So I'll come back to you later on this evening so we can see what's going on in the sun and also some other images as well. So keep cool, take care, and respect you again for subscribing to the channel, and also all you subscribers that follow the channel. Thank you for all your dedication and respect for doing so. I'll be back again this evening. 100% I will be back this evening to do another video to see what else is going on in the other parts of the world. It's very interesting to see what's going on. But this is our natural sun in front. Our sun is behind that simulator and it's being eclipsed, our natural sun. And if, as I said before, the simulator failed, it is failing in a way, isn't it? Because the thing is that, look at it, I mean, the simulator is beaming out light. But behind that is the fading sun. Our sun is fading because of the eclipse of what's going on with Nibiru. And you can see, can't you, blatantly, it's too dark on the ground. Because of this. So I'm going to go now to respect, and I'll be back later on.